signals.
You guys ready?
Yeah, so we're going to try to do a visual, but we'll cut out at 90 seconds.
Okay.
So if it's more than 90 seconds, we'll just stop the fill and do a long, or do a static. So, yeah.
Where is that rock? Right above it.
Directly above us. Right above us.
Oh, nice.
Yep. That's a good rocket.
Okay, rocket's coming straight down on top of the bar. Okay, let's start. Next up is going to be nitrous
This is it, guys. This is it. Anyone who left, you're missing out. Or you can probably just rewatch it, but you know, whatever.
Nice and easy to see. Oh, shit.
Okay, ready?
Alright, guys.
Pull it out right out like that. When the main comes out, or clean them off.
Yeah.
Okay, start filling.
Okay.
Starting to feel, guys.
Okay, we're going to start filling.
Push left stick, pull up. Stick up. Okay. Fill switch up. Nitrous fill. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's good. Okay. That mean? Okay. 1 minute timer. Awesome.
Yeah.
First fill.
See you later, Brady.
It looks like we have some type of leak or hose blown.
Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop fill. Fill should be stopped. There it is.
Bolts.
Okay. Should we static phone or should we use work?
You ready, Nathan?
It's not going. SD card.
You're your little one. No? Okay.
So we're aborting?
Aborting? Okay. You guys got pressures?
No. But it's like a static vent, and we'll vent the,
Open your mains?
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, we have to abort this here. Let's stay under cover so we get to safe.
Guys, cold flow time.
so open, or sorry, open engine valve. Vehicle, vehicle valve open. Okay, vehicle valve open. Yeah. And when it stops doing anything, we'll call it off. Looks like some nitrous got in it.
I know, it definitely got it, but that's a huge leak.
Yeah. Is that the push to kick, maybe?
I'm definitely.
So, did it open the main valve?
Yeah, so all valves are
So
open.
all the valves are open. The between the fill valve and the bottle there's pressure, but yeah, that's nominal. Say again? Yeah. I got safety glasses.
I just want to do a visual too, just to make sure everything is.
Cool.
So we just called an abort because we have probably the PTC for the nitrous fill is probably leaking like hell. So we're gonna go check it out. At least Nina's gonna go check it out, and then we'll see if we have enough to attempt another one for the next launch window. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We probably need to pump more fuel in there as well because we vented everything.
Damn.
first times always happen like this.
Yeah.
I think we should still have enough to attempt another one. I think everything we have left, if you put more fuel up there and then use what the rest of the rest of the nitrous that's probably in the tank, we should be able to try for the fill again.
Thank you, Ryan, for the update.
Thank you.
We are all clear.
Oh, your son. Your son.
Yeah, it's crazy how those guys rocket just like right there.
I mean, yeah, it's pretty impressive.
I'm gonna go pack it down. Let's do that and correct. Yeah.
Go figure out the
SD card.